Welcome back to Indiana Lazy Bushman, the Mao Crouch, and we're doing the segment on dyeing your traps. This time we're going to wax the traps. You can buy your wax in several different colors. You can buy it from a bland color to black to a yellow color. I like dyeing my traps with the black color because it gives it an earth tone so that I don't have to camouflage it as much when I'm setting my traps or my snares. You can buy this from F&T Fur Supply. In traps, they sell trap supplies, fur supplies, all that kind of stuff. It's an odorless trap wax, so just because it's dyed black, it doesn't have an odor to it. And what you do is you take your wax over here to your pot, and you're going to add it in on top of your water, so that way it's floating on top of the water. So I still have the trap dye in there, and the wax is actually melted on that, and you'll see here in just a second, as soon as I start dipping them, as you'll see the wax appear on the traps. So all you need to do is take your stake and your trap like this, dip down into your water, all the way down to the stake, back up. I usually do this about 3 times. Let it cool for a second. Now you can see I got a good coat of wax on that trap. If you look up here on this stake right here, you can see how much is coated on that wax. Another way you can do it, if you use a different type of stake system, you use a wire system or whatever, use a coat hanger. Same thing. And you can see it's got a nice coat of wax. You can see it on the hanger, on the trap. Now I just take and set them off to the side and let them cool. When it comes to spring traps, conda traps, they're all the same. Same way, wax and dyeing, whole 9 yards. They don't have to be out. You don't have to have that conda out. It can be just like that. Matter of fact, on this trap here, when this trap was bought and it was missing the ring, all I did was add a link in on it and added a new ring. Just because a trap's broken don't mean that you can't fix it. You can buy every part to this trap, including the pan, the jaws, the spring. You can buy every part to any of these old traps. So if you find them at a rummage sale or a flea market, pick them up cheap, go ahead and buy them. Thank you for watching this segment. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.